Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open any editing application, use CapCut. Now go to New Project and add 8 photos. Now select Format 9:16. Now adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Select font and style and paste the text. Now apply text layer till the first photo. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.